In this video, we take a look what is the difference between var, lat and const. Let's take an example to understand it better. We create a function name, just a get name, and uh, take an parameter of let's say gender to distinguish between uh, what name to show. So we call this function, and with the parameter, let's say male, and quickly add a condition. If gender is equal to male, we simply show let declare a variable name is equal to let's say John, and same copy paste the condition and change it to female, and change the name, say Jane, and simply console log name is, and concat with the variable name. So let's run the code. It's showing John, and if I change into female, it's shown Jane. So that's looks good. So if we change the variable to let, so you can see that it's dull, that's showing that we are not using the name anywhere. So if we run now, it's give me an error. That is because name is not defined. Even we are defined, but that is in the blocks scoped. So that is the main difference between const variable and let. So var and lat. So the let is block defined, like block scoped, but the var is a function scope. So it can be accessed in whole function. So in that function we can access the var anywhere, like if we defined, even if we defined into the block, if block, we can able to access it. Let me clear it to see the output. So it's showing the output, but if we change into the let, because of let is block scoped, we can't access the let outside the block. So to use it with let, we need to define here name, and need to remove type. So here we can see the output. So that's clear that it's the main difference is let is a block scoped, and the variable is a function scoped. So what is the difference between const? So const is a variable that we can't change the value, or we can't reassign the value to it. So let's say we have declared the const of name here. If we try to change into the if block, so let's run the code. It's saying that assignment to the const variable is not allowed. So we can't reassign the const value. So that is the main difference. Hopefully the video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please like and share. Thanks.